called Shiffai. Imagine this earth through the bird's eye view. Landscape rivers on clear view can see. Imagine spreading your wings, gliding through the air. Thinking this kind of favor is just unfair. No family is the rule. Wink 1, 2, cause birds of the same feather flock together, flapping wings rapidly, enjoying the company. Sometimes it dives down, hovering low.
Let the birds fly. Stop caging them.
Let the birds fly, man.
Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages. Let the birds fly. Stop caging them. Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages.
Take a flight towering high up in the sky, then we connect to the Wi-Fi of Shiffai. Transmit to him messages to spread with the bird. A plea for the birds, let it be worldwide heard. Birds are meant to be free, meant to have and to credential. Nature essential. Sun up, held them in the air, but alive. But you capture, put them in the cage. Tell me why.
Stop caging them. Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages. Let the birds fly. Stop caging them. Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages.
Fly, 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 fly. Supposed to show compassion, mercy to all creatures. This is instructions for guidance seekers. But there's always gonna be hard-headed wrongdoers, like to put animal in cages for their entertainment. Karma is their payment. Lions stand, denounce and persecute by the right band. The answer, release the air dancers. The moving forward motion, yeah, adventures.
Stop caging them. Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages. Let the birds fly. Stop caging them. Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages. Let the birds fly. Stop caging them. Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages. Let the birds fly. Stop caging them. Let the birds fly. Stop putting them in cages.